I'm Lello Favuzzi and I'm here in Sicily today, in Catania to be precise. You can see behind my back, Etna volcano. The dish I'm doing today is a chilled melon soup. And of course, at the end I would like to put a bit of Filippo Berio olive oil with lovely balsamic vinegar that goes together extremely well. To start with, I wanted to show you how to do the yogurt dressing using a bit of vanilla, Amalfi lemon. I've got this lovely fennel pollen and a bit of clear honey. We're gonna mix all together in a bowl. Let's open the vanilla in the middle, and you got all the vanilla pods, nice and fresh. So you just use the tip of the knife and you start to pull it out and goes inside the yogurt. We have a bit of lemon zest, a bit of wild fennel. Then you add 1 teaspoon of clear honey. Remember, you don't want to add too much sugar to it because the melon is sweet enough. As you can see, the vanilla now is spreading, it's become like a dot. It's a beautiful contrast. This can go to the fridge now, it can rest, and we're gonna start to clean the melon to create the soup. You just remove the two-tip part, and then you're peeling off all the green, hard skin. We want just the pulp, basically. Cut enough, we remove the seeds. We're just gonna chop the melon very rough. I call it paisan, a kind of very rough cut, because, you know, we are at home, we don't want to be so precise. We are not in a restaurant right now. So just create a kind of diagonal cut, so they look quite pretty. Let's leave a couple of pieces for the decoration, and all the rest goes straight into the blender. I'm gonna add a touch of amaretto. If you get some left, just try it, why not? So I've got some ice here. We are halfway. I'm gonna add some into the blender. We want to add a bit of lemon juice to give this nice acidity to it. Just make sure the seeds don't go inside. So I think this is ready. We're gonna add the liquid with the help of a spoon. Now we got the lovely dressing made out of vanilla and lemon with yogurt. I think it really looks amazing, this soup. What I suggest at the very end, with the help of the extra virgin olive oil, just pour inside a little bowl, and we're gonna add now a touch of balsamic, not too much, so grab a bit, goes around, create the contrast. I think it's lovely. We add a bit of mint as well. We just add a bit of fennel pollen more, just to create this lovely yellow and white and orange color, and dish done. Enjoy.